Hello there, welcome back. Now let's talk about adding new key value pairs. Dictionaries are dynamic structures and you can add new key value pairs to a dictionary at any time. For example, to add a new key value pair, you would give the name of the dictionary followed by the new key and square brackets along with the new value. Let's add two new pieces of information to the alien zero dictionary. The alien's x and y coordinates, which will help us display the alien in a particular position on the screen. Let's place the alien on the left edge of the screen, 25 pixels down from the top, because screen coordinates usually starts at the upper left corner of the screen. We will place the alien on the left edge of the screen by setting the x coordinate to 0 and 25 pixels from the top by setting its y coordinate to positive 25. Let me just write it down. Let me just quickly make a dictionary, and let me just explain to you what happens. So I'll use braces, and then let's suppose the color would be green, and let's say that another key point, we have points which are 5, and now let me just print the dictionary. You could see that all the key value pairs are displayed. Now I want to add more points. Okay, now let me just add alien 0 and then brackets, and let's say your x position, and which is, let's suppose, and let's define our y position, and let's say which is equal to 25. Now let me just print, and you could see that x position and y positions are added. We start by defining the same dictionary that we have been working with. We then print this dictionary, displaying a snapshot of the information, and we add a new key value pair to the dictionary, key x position and value 0. We do the same for key y position. When we print the modified dictionary, we see the two additional key pair values. Key value pairs. The final version of the dictionary contains 4 value pairs: 1 color, second point, third x position, and fourth y position. And if you want to add one more, let's say you want to add z position, you can also do that. Let's say you want to add z position, okay, and let it be say 20, and you could see that z position is also displayed. Let me just zoom it out so you could see the z position. You could see the z position here, okay, which is also displayed. Now let's get back to, now let's talk about starting with an empty dictionary. Okay, starting with an empty dictionary. It is sometimes convenient or even necessary to start with an empty dictionary and then add each new item to it. To start filling an empty dictionary, define a dictionary with an empty set of braces, and then add each key value pair on its own line. For example, here is how to build the alien zero dictionary using this approach. Now let me just erase it so that you understand. Okay, let me start with a zero dictionary, empty dictionary. Okay, now I want to add new elements. Let's say new key points. Okay, let's say color, and let's suppose the color be green or yellow or whatever, depends on you. And let me just add one key point, key value. Let's say one more, and let's talk about points. Okay, and let's say that points are 5. Now if I print it, okay, if I print million 0, you could see that the key point color and the key value color and the key value point are displayed with their values. Similarly, you can add as many as you want to. Let me just add the exposition here. You can also add the exposition, or let's say that the exposition will be, let's say, 0. And if you run it, you could see that exposition is added. Now if you want to add the y position, you can also do that. Y position, let's say it is 10. You can add countless key value, countless, depends on your programming, depends on the problem. Similarly, you can change the color here from green to yellow. You can also change the values. You can do whatever you want to do. You can also change the x value, you can also change the y value, and it is that easy. Here we define an empty dictionary and then add color and points in x position and y position. Typically, you will use empty dictionary when storing user supplied data in a dictionary, or when you write code that generates a large number of key value pairs automatically. You can also modify values in a dictionary.